Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What I've got here is the Easylock drain hose. Now what you'll see is this is the new Karcher gun. Quad thread. Now you'll notice on this it's a very strange thread. If you look at it carefully you'll see a thread that starts in 4 different points. That's why it's called a quad thread. It's meant to be so it screws on and off quick and everything else. Now obviously normally your lance goes onto here. What you'd simply do is attach the drain hose. You've got a cuff on this side. That cuff, as you can see, comes with the system. Normally you keep that cuff in your hand while you go down a drain with the drain hose. Now this nozzle is 3 backwards, 1 forwards. The 3 backwards help it go forwards, and the 1 forwards cuts through the debris and everything else that's down the drain and the dirt. Like I say, always keep that in your hand. It then gives you a measuring how far you've gone down. That jet can be screwed out. Now you always test a jet and run the machine out of the drain. Always operate it via a trigger, because otherwise it's like a snake wafting around everywhere. This hose is a rubber hose, not a plastic hose, so it won't get damaged first time it goes down a drain by getting caught in a snot that's down the drains or anything else that gets very sharp, with it being rubber. 1 wire. These are available in 10, 15, 20s, 30s, depending on what length you want, but this has got 1 wire braid inside there as well. Like I say, this is the quad thread. What I'll do is unscrew it and show you, so you can see how it works. So as you'll see, that part seals on the inside of the gun. And you look at this gun, like I say, you'll notice that you've got 4 threads. You've got 1 at 12 o'clock. If you turn it slightly, you'll see another thread starting. These come also with glue inside, so it can be left on there permanently. This is a reducer that goes down to 3/8. We have it on a quick release if you wanted to as well, if you needed any stage. But like I say, this is for the Easylock gun. Always take note, the grey and yellow handle gun, the new type. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.